you are new, my name is Danielle Mendez, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unbox. And to be honest, this is my first Boxycharm. I just got this subscription, and yeah, so we're going to be unboxing it and everything. So before this video gets long, I'm going to start, but before we start the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So this is how it looks. It says Boxycharm. And when I open it, see this brings all the products here. So the first thing I see here is the Glam Gold Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. It's a condition, deep cleanse, and face makeup removal. Looks like this. I like this packaging. It looks nice. Take it out of the bottle. The box. This is how it looks. Oh, upside down. Like this. Originally $28, but they have it on sale at $14 right now. That's nice. The next thing I see here is the Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm. This, to get out of the packaging, guys, looks like this. Ooh, this is nice. It's a glassy skin balm. It smells nice. It's like a cream. This I don't know what this is, so let me see if I can find what it is for. Well, it says here, at the last step of skincare routine, apply evenly to the face as needed to achieve a dewy and glowy skin. So this is basically to make your skin look dewy and glowy, which is good for me because it is winter here and I have really dry skin, especially when it comes to winter. This is originally $32. Wow. The next thing I have here is the Jonte Blue Lip Liner Pencil, and I got it in the shade 947 Hot Red. So it looks. Look at the pen. Really nice bright red. This costs $7, which is not bad. Not that expensive. The next thing we have here is the Iconic London Lip Gloss. And I got it in the shade Nearly Nude. This usually costs $26. Not bad. Well, it's kind of expensive for lip gloss. The next thing I see here is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. This is really nice. I got it in the shade Dark Brown. So I do have dark eyebrows. And this usually costs $16. The next thing I have in my Boxycharm is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. This looks nice. Take it out of the box. Gives you some look ideas. The packaging looks nice. Then here are the shades. Oops. Here are the shades. Take this off. Wow, this looks nice. See, it brings a mirror. So my plan was to try these out throughout the video. But as you guys can see, I already have my makeup done, and I didn't want to keep taking long on making a video. So I decided that once I got my box, I would record it. I would record you guys the unboxing. But yeah, this is all I got from my Boxycharm. For those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription makeup box. They send you 4 to 5 products in the box. It costs $21 monthly, but it brings 4 to 5 full-size products, from cleanser to makeup brushes to even it brings a lot of stuff. Um, but yeah, this is all that I have for this video. The next time I receive my next Boxycharm, I will hopefully be able to try it as the video goes. But yeah, that's all for today, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.